everybody, it's Rochelle again, and I'm super duper excited because I'm gonna make a marble cake for my dad because it's Father's Day. Okay, for this year we're taking ready-made cake mixes. It's yellow and the other one is chocolate fudge. So for this you need 2 big bowls to mix. We added 1.5 cup of yellow cake mix and 1.5 cup of chocolate cake mix. 1/2 cup of water for both. You need 1/4 cup of oil for both and 2 eggs for both. So I'm gonna mix these 4 ingredients and my sister is gonna mix these 4 ingredients. First I'm gonna keep the yellow cake mix in here, all of them. 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil, 2 eggs. Now we're gonna take this to mix it all up. Now this is how it should be. Now my sister is gonna mix the other one. Yeah, she's really excited and nervous. Oil and 2 eggs. So now I got a pan, let's grease it. Good. So I got this cup. Now I'm gonna take some yellow one. I can do it. Can I? Potato cheese. This is how it looks. Now you need a toothpicks and start from here. Make it all the way to the center. Wipe it with a tissue. Come all the way back to here. Look, it looks like a flower. Now let's preheat the oven for 350 degrees and start. Let's keep it in the oven. And let's wait for 30 minutes or 35 and then the cake will be ready. Okay, here's the cake. Now see the patterns and see how fluffy it is. Can I eat? We can have all separate now. Eat.